we're back and this has completely dried. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight to the texture area to really highlight it and bring it out. And what I'm going to do is I've got just a little bit of a metallic gold. I'm also going to use a little bit of the blue that I mixed up in the first segment and that I used down here. If you happen to have it still mixed, that's great. If not, just pop a little blue onto your, and that's the Prussian, and it has a little glaze in it. Pop a little of that onto your palette and mix it up. This is giving me a very pretty metallic shimmery blue gold with a little bit of a green undertone. Putting that on my flat brush, and I'm going to bring that very lightly along here to add a little depth and pick up that texture that we laid down. It's really what is the point of having texture if you're not going to see it. And kind of everything we've done is muted it a bit. So it's nice to pick up just the top points of your texture. And by doing this with a flat brush laid on its side very lightly, you can roll it around and pick that up. Kind of coming up like this, it looks almost like water splashing. And then when you move down into the texture that's underneath this line right here, it's picking up an entirely different look. This is very blue-green. And then down here, you're getting a completely different, it's sort of a metallic olive, let's say, over that blue. Again, these are all options. They're not something you absolutely have to do. If you don't like it, or you're happy with your painting where it's at, you know, skip whatever you feel you need to. Add more, do less, whatever it is you feel is necessary to get the best result on your own artwork. Alright, so this is where I'm at with this, and I am going to let this dry. I would say you could do 24 hours, but I would say if you come back in about 12 hours or so, or just several hours, depending on your climate, how fast things dry. If it's, we want it to be very dry before we go ahead and put our top coat on. But at this point, we're laying down such a small amount of paint that it will dry pretty quickly. So you can come back in a few hours and do the final glaze.